Setting up dual Sceptre monitors starts with ensuring your graphics card supports dual outputs. Most modern graphics cards, whether integrated or dedicated, provide multiple video ports for connecting two monitors simultaneously. There are several connection methods available. The most common approach uses HDMI ports, DisplayPort connections, or a combination of both. Newer Sceptre models also feature USB-C with DisplayPort Alt mode for simplified single-cable setups. Cable quality is crucial for optimal performance. For standard 1080p setups, basic HDMI or DisplayPort cables work fine. However, for 4K dual monitor configurations, you'll need HDMI 2.0 or higher or DisplayPort 1.2 or higher cables to ensure proper bandwidth and signal quality. Once your monitors are physically connected, you need to configure them in your operating system. Windows provides several display options. You can choose Extended Mode to span your desktop across both monitors, or Duplicate Mode to mirror the same content on both screens. In the display settings, you can also designate which monitor serves as your primary display. The primary display will show your taskbar, system notifications, and serve as the main desktop. You can drag and arrange the monitor icons to match your physical setup. For the optimal dual monitor experience, match the resolution of both monitors whenever possible. This ensures consistent text size and image quality across displays. Also consider matching refresh rates for gaming setups and ensure proper desk space and mounting solutions for comfortable viewing angles. Dual monitor setups deliver measurable productivity improvements across all industries. Studies show productivity increases between 25 to 40% when users switch from single to dual monitor configurations. When encountering display issues, the most common solution is updating your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can cause connection problems, resolution issues, and performance degradation. For gaming setups, consider using a curved Sceptre monitor as your primary display. Connect it via DisplayPort for higher refresh rates, while using your secondary monitor for Discord, streaming tools, or game guides. Sceptre monitors feature consistent VESA mounting support, simplifying desk setups and allowing for flexible positioning. The standard VESA mounting pattern ensures compatibility with most monitor arms and stands. Looking ahead, USB 4 integration and wireless display technology will make dual monitor setups even simpler. These emerging technologies will reduce cable clutter and provide more flexible connection options for Sceptre monitors. Sceptre's combination of affordability, compatibility, and consistent VESA support makes dual monitor setups accessible to everyone. Whether for productivity, gaming, or future-proofing your setup, Sceptre monitors provide reliable dual display solutions.